We're here in Woody Point today, which is on the west coast of Newfoundland. We are going to meet up with two ladies who fish for lobster in this area, and they're going to take us out on the water and show us the ropes. We're also going to connect with Jenny and Stan Parsons, a couple who have built their business in the area alongside of the fishing industry here in Newfoundland. I'm Kastine Coleman, a lifelong angler and your guide on this incredible journey through my home province, Newfoundland and Labrador, where the air is crisp, the waters are rich with life, and the forests call for adventure. Join me as I reel in some of the freshest fish you can imagine, explore trails winding along rugged coastlines, and then stick around as we whip up meals that celebrate the bountiful flavors of this stunning region. Welcome to Fishing the Rock. Woody Point is a vibrant community on Bonne Bay. For such a small town, it has an eclectic mix of stores and restaurants, including Stan and Jenny's The Merchant Warehouse.
Back in 1985, we started the accommodations, the tourism industry, and it's been history since.
Then the Merchant Warehouse is Stan's great-grandfather's building, and Stan did all the restoration himself. So it evolved into what we call the Merchant Warehouse Retro Cafe and Wine Bar. Almost every customer will ask, like, where do the cod come from? Or where did the crab come from? We do source our fish locally.
You don't only get the local flavor of the food, you get the local flavor of the people, and that's very important in tourism. Everything I can get local, that's what I use.
It's so refreshing to see business owners that champion sustainability by sourcing locally farmed vegetables and fresh catch from local fishermen.
We'll go right on out on the lighthouse, out back everywhere, but I said leave these in here for you fellas, and then we'll go do our harder stuff later.
A lot of little ones, yep. They're not looking very promising today.
I've been fishing for about 20 years, on and off, I guess. Lobster fishing for 7 with my mother, originally started, and then I went off on my own 3 years ago. My sister joined in. Now she's been fishing for longer than that, but she's joined in 2 years ago to fish with me, so it's just been me and her for, 3 years. This is third year now, so yeah. And I got into it because my father's fisherman. And I always loved it on the water. So it was my dream job, and gladly hook, line, and sinkered it, I guess.
Yeah, I've been into it for probably 7 years, I'm going to say, but only 3 at Lobster. I'm enjoying it so far. I was really excited when I first started coming to lobster fishing, and I got a small one. I was like, I've never seen one so tiny. They're very cute. I'm pretty good with eyeballing them, but some of them I will check. Yeah. Because some of them look huge, and they're not measure size. And then some of them look way too small, and they're like, it is. It's mostly husband and wife though, or father-daughter type stuff. 2 women is unknown, really.
Especially
it's
sister
unheard
duos.
of. Yeah, especially sister duos. Yeah, it is really unheard of. It's pretty nice to be able to inspire other women and young females to do what they want. I 100% agree what you can do, anything you want to do, actually. So as long as you set your heart and your mind to it, you'll get to where you want to be.
They vary. Some of them, like these with the cement runners, they're a bit heavier. Ones with like solid brick, and they're They're rough. They're rough. And there's so much playing with lobster pots, is what I calls it anyway. You gotta take them out of the shed, put them on a trailer, take them off the trailer, put them somewhere to fix them, take them there, from there, put them back on the trailer. Then they gotta go on the wharf to be baited. Then they go aboard the boat. So it's just so much.
It's a lot of handling them.
Yeah.
You get to know them.
Yeah.
Well, with our lobsters, we'll take them to the plant and sell them, which we sell to 3Ts. But we also have local sale today. A nice few people actually want to buy local.
And some bands. I haven't banded them yet, but I'd say some of them are bigger. So how many he have? 10. 10. You got 10. 10. She got 12. You got 6. I'll go find some other.
We've had a couple cool ones. We had the speckled one too.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had calico and a speckled one. So
She basically looked cooked, but with like the brown claws.
We're here at the Bonne Bay Marine Station in Norris Point. So this is the place where Julie and Josie were dropping off their lobsters, the cool ones that they found. So we're gonna go inside and have a look.
So I'm James. I'm working at the Bonne Bay Aquarium and Research Station this summer. I am a fourth-year university student, living here in Norris Point for the summer. So every year we collect animals in the second week of May, and in the beginning of September, they are released back into the bay every year. So it's kind of like their Florida vacation.
The odds of finding a blue lobster are about 1 in 2 million. Calico and yellow lobsters are 1 in 30 million. The different colors are a result of a genetic mutation. And in case you're wondering, all of them turn red when cooked because the proteins become denatured. A 1-pound lobster is about 5 to 7 years old, but they can live up to 100 years.
This is called a carapace. He's holding on the back of a carapace. He's safe, like he won't pinch.
We live in an area where we are an enclave of the national park. We have kilometers and kilometers and kilometers of trails, and not only just a trail, state-of-the-art trails. I mean, they're taking you to sea stacks, they're taking you to caves, they're taking you to great lookouts. It's adventure at its best. I mean, we have the Tablelands just between our two restaurants, really. So yeah, the national park has really played a big role in businesses here.
Right in between the communities of Woody Point and Trout River, the Tableland Mountains in Gros Morne National Park are one of the few places in the world where the Earth's mantle is exposed. About 500 million years ago, these rocks were forced to the Earth's surface. And because of the high iron content, they've weathered into this rich orange color. This site is just one of the reasons why Gros Morne National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And now I am going to go have a little walk around because it's not every day that you get to walk on the Earth's mantle. The Gros Morne area is always a treat to explore. The town of Trout River is a sweet little fishing community on the southern coastal edge of Gros Morne National Park. There are some beautiful hiking trails and a great boardwalk along the beach where you can catch the evening sunset. This is where Stan and Jenny's second restaurant is, the Seaside restaurant. So we had a wonderful morning out on the water with Julie and Josie, and now we're here at the Seaside restaurant in Trout River with Jenny and Stan Parsons.
Yeah.
Okay, so Stan, now we're cooking up the lobsters that we caught this morning.
Yep.
And how are we gonna do it? You have salt water?
Yeah, we'll put about 4 inches of water in the pot for that many lobster, and we just put enough salt to taste salty. Because if you get too fresh, they won't taste the same.
Right.
Yeah. So now the first thing we got to do is take the bands out of the lobster claws. I'll pass them to you. You put them in the pot.
Oh, you're going to pass it to me after the bands are gone?
Yes.
Oh.
And we do it like this. Okay. Get your own by the back.
Perfect. Head
Yep.
down.
Yep. Into the pot.
Perfect. And how long are they going to
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
When they come to a boil, 20 minutes. And tomorrow morning, I'll leave on 6 o'clock.
Never mind, I got to put my order in.
Yeah.
There you go.
I go, after she puts her order in, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, I'll leave home. And I'll go to 75. And we'll go to Benwell's Cove, and I'll pick up my lobster, my mussels there.
Wow.
And then I go to another part of Barry Seafoods and pick up my scallop, which coming from Ramia. Fresh
nice.
scallop. Fresh scallop's the best. I'll do a little sample for you.
Okay.
With the lobster. This is our 45th year. 45 years. Now, Jenny, my wife's mom, started it first in 1979. And we took over completely in 1988. So we've been running it since 1988.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and there goes the beeper. We know what that means.
Lobster's ready.
Aha! There we go. Today's catch. There we go. There you go, my darling.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining me on today's fishing expedition. Remember, every trip is an opportunity to learn something new about the water, the fish, and ourselves. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep fishing. I'm your host, Kastine Coleman. Tight lines, and I'll see you next time on Fishing the Rock.